And Santa may not be here quite yet, but it's still been a great year for equities. S&P is going to finish with a second consecutive year up 20 plus percent, up 24% this year, 54% over the last 2 years, which is the best 2 year period since 97 and 98. The Dow is up about 13% this year, the Nasdaq about 30%. For the month, a little bit different though. S&P is down just under 2%, the Dow is down almost 5%, but the Nasdaq is up just over 1.5%. And rates have been the driver recently of equities as we've seen the 10-year hit a high of 4.64 last week, now settling in right around 4.55. And the dollar is up 6.6% this year after surging 7.5% this quarter. That's the biggest quarterly jump since the first quarter of 2015. Earnings season just around the corner. Expectations remain cloudy. ES option data, well, trading volumes are not as light as usual recently for end of year. We're still seeing over 1 million ES options trade daily for about the past week. Short-term expirations, those within 5 days, continue to dominate with over 62% in the last 5 trade days. We saw a huge drop yesterday in put option volume in the E-mini NASDAQ options in short-term options. Only 48% of the volume was on the put side. Typically, we see that between 55 and 60%. Big activity early today on today's expiring 5,900 puts, over 11,000 of those. And at the money implied vol for the end of this week sits near 12%. Bitcoin has struggled over the last week, trading down near 92,000, now sitting around 95,000. But for the year, we've seen a gain of 124%. Happy New Year, everybody. We'll see you next year.